Good morning everyone. Our lesson today is called the set of zero of polynomial function. Before starting this lesson, we should know what is the meaning, remember with me, what is the meaning of polynomial function. Any function is called polynomial if two conditions are satisfied. The two conditions, first one, each domain and codomain is real number. Second one, all power of variable belong to natural number. Remember with me, what is the meaning of natural number? Natural number like number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and real number, all number except square root with negative number. Let's take example to check if the function is polynomial or not. Okay, now we have the rule of function, its name f. Okay, f refer to function, and the function f of x mapping from domain real number to codomain also real number. So first condition are satisfied. First condition says that domain and codomain is real number. Okay, and now we have domain and codomain is real number. Okay, let's check the second condition. All power of variable mean letters like x, y, z and so on. Okay, now we will check if the power of variable is natural number or not. Remember with me what is the meaning of natural number, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, now we have f of x equal x power 2 plus 2x plus 1. First condition, domain real number and codomain is real number. Second condition, all power of variable. Now we have x, its power 2. 2 belong to a natural number, yes, and another x power 1. Okay, then 1 belong to a natural number. So all power of variable belong to a natural number. Then this function is called polynomial function. Okay, and this function the same. X power 1 belong to a natural number, then this function is called polynomial. But come with me in number 3 and number 4. Now we have x, 1 over x. Now we have fraction, its numerator 1 and its denominator x. X now in denominator, not numerator. So if we want to write x in another form, equal x power negative 1. So negative 1 belong to a natural number or not? No. So this function is not polynomial function. Number 4, now we have square root x. Okay, we know that x square root like power half. X power half. Okay, let's take the power of variable. Half belong to a natural number? No. Okay, so square root of x not belong to polynomial function. So the function f of x equal square root x, not polynomial function. Okay, let's take to our lesson. If we have example like, if we have a function like f of x equal x power 3 minus 5x squared plus 6x. This is the rule of function, and the function mapping from domain real number to codomain also real number. Now we have function is polynomial function. First condition, domain and codomain is real number, and the rule of function, all power of variable belong to natural number. Okay, let's take some random number from domain. Some random number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Take some random number and substitute by this number in this function like this. Okay, if we have x equal 0, what is the meaning of substitution? Substitute mean replace each variable by its number. Now we want to replace each x by 0. Okay, now we will replace each x by 0. f of 0 equal 0 power 3, okay, minus 5 times 0 power 2 plus 6 times 0. Okay, like this. Okay, and the result of this equals 0. Okay, let's take another random number 1. Now we will substitute by x equal 1. What is the meaning of substitution? Replace each x by 1. like this. Replace hx by 1. F of 1 equal 1 power 3 minus 5 times 1 power 2 plus 6 times 1, and the result equal 2. By the same meaning, replace hx by 2 and the result equal 0. Replace hx by 3 and the result of the function equal 0. Attention with me. Now, if we substitute by x equal 0, x equal 2, x equals 3, the result become 0, 0, 0. Attention with me. Now, this value make our function equal 0. Again, this value 0, 2, 3 make our function after substitution equal 0. So we can say that each number 0, 2, 3 is called the 0 of the function. But what is the meaning of this expression, 0 of the function? So this value is called the 0 of the function. Why? Because this value make our function equal 0, 0, 0. So we can call for this a number 0, 2, 3 is called the 0 of function. Why? Because this value make our function equal 0, and this is the name of our lesson. Our lesson is called the 0 of the function. But what is the meaning of this expression? The value which make our function equal 0. The value that makes the function equal 0. Okay? For general, 0 of the function. If we wanted to put this value in bracket set, okay, in set, this set is called the 0 of the function. What is the meaning of this? The value which make any function equal 0 is a solution set for equation f of x equals 0 in real number. Let's take some example. Summary for solution for this for this lesson. Steps: first one, make your function equal 0. Second, find x. Third, check if x belongs to real number or not. Okay, we will use these steps in these lessons to answer anything. Okay, let's take example. Find the 0 of the function of each polynomial functions defined by the following rules in R. Okay, first example, f of x equal 2x minus 6. Second example, f of x equal x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, first step, okay, by following these steps, make your function equal 0. Second, find x. Third, check if x belongs R or not. Okay, first example, first step, remember with me, okay, put your function equal 0, make your function, so 2x minus 6 equal 0, and find the number of x by the same way of equation. Okay, answer. First step, make your function equal 0, 2x minus 6 equal 0, okay, then by the way of the equation, x equal 6 over 2, then x equal 3. Okay, now we found the value of x equals 3. Third, check if x belongs R or not. 3 belongs to real number, yes. Then the 0 of the function, okay, equal 3. Second, if f of x equal x power 3 minus 3x minus 10. Okay, by the same way, first one, make your function equal 0. So x power 3, x squared, x power 2 minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, now we wanted to find the value of x. Okay, in this way, we will use the factorizing. Okay, this simple trinomial. Okay, we have two brackets like this equal 0, and we will factorize x power 2. Like x and x, we search about two letters such that its multiplication equal x power 2, x and x. Okay, we factorize it x and x. Okay, and by another way, we can make this power divided 2, x and x. Okay, now 10, we search about two number, its product 10 and its difference 3. Okay, let's try first one, 1 times 10. 1 times 10 equal 10, yeah, but it's a difference, not 3. 2 times 5, 2 times 5 equal 10, and its difference equals 3, yes, 2 and 5, okay, and this sign is difference, so the biggest number take middle and another number takes the opposite. The biggest number, okay, 5 takes the middle negative and another number takes the opposite. Okay, now we have two bracket equals 0, then we have fact in math, if two number equals 0, then one of them equals 0, sure. Then x minus 5 equals 0, so on, x equal 5, x plus 2 equals 0, and so x equal negative 2. Check 5 and the negative 2 belong to natural number, yes, then 5 and the negative 2 is the 0 of this function. But what is the meaning of this? If we replace 3 is the 0 of the function, but what is the meaning of this? If we replace hx by 3, the function equals 0. Let's try. 2 times 3 replace hx by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6 minus 6 equals 0. Okay. There exist important remarks here. If f of x equal 8 and we wanted to find the 0 of the function, in this case, first one, make your function equal 0. Okay, but 8 equal 0? No, I can't. So the image of any number, by function equal 8, so there is no number make your function equal 0. Then the 0 of the function in this case equal 5. Why the 0 of the function equal 5? Attention with me. Now, first step, we make your function equal 0. Our function is constant function at 8. So if we wanted to make 8 equal 0, this is impossible. So there isn't any number make this function equal 0. So the 0 of the function equal 5. Another example, if your function equal 0, okay, this function is constant function, but constant function at 0. So all number, the image of any number by this function equal 0. So all real number are the 0 of this function, okay, then the 0 of function is real number. Okay, and this important remark, if your function equal number except 0, then the 0 of function equal 5, and if your function equal 0, then the 0 of the function equal all real number. Okay, another example, if f of x equal x squared plus 49, first one finds the value of, make your function equal 0, second one find the value of x, third one check if the value of x belong to a real number or not. Okay, first one, put your function equal 0 like this. Second one, we can solve it by many ways, like equation and factorizing and so on. Okay, but this, okay, we can solve it by many ways like equation and complete square and so on. Okay, but now we wanted to find the value of x. Okay, by anyway, x power 2 equal negative 49. Okay, if we wanted to find the value of x, we can adding the additive inverse of 49, negative 49, to the positive side of equation, so x power 2 equal negative 49. Now we wanted to find the number, the value of x, okay, but x have power 2. We wanted to cancel this power 2 to remove it. Okay, so we will take the square root for the positive side. So x equal positive or negative is square root of negative 49. Stop here. We know that a real number is the whole number except a square root with negative number. So this number is not belonging to a real number. So the 0 of the function equal 5.